welcome back to my channel. We're doing something really different for, oh, by the way, this is, hi. This is the lovely Lauren. As you can see, she is amazing at makeup. I mean, look at this face, just perfect. And for a while, I've been wanting her to do mine. So tonight is Bachelor night, and before we watch The Bachelor, we figured we'd have some fun with my face. I actually didn't really give her any ideas. I just love what she does and completely trust her. So, no, I trust you. So she's going to do my makeup, and that's basically it. So enjoy our journey, and we'll see what we come up with on the other side. All right, let's start. Also, I do want to say we did talk a little bit, and I think we're going for a pink look.
Yeah.
Pink.
Vibrant.
My favorite color. All right.
Let's color my nails.
Beautiful.
Okay, so close your eyes. This is just so, like, it doesn't get any, like, stuffuses on your face.
Lauren, you're a natural. You're already explaining and everything.
Makes it cleaner. I watched James Charles.
Oh, that's good.
He's my favorite.
Oh, that's why you're such a guru.
Okay. I'm just gonna put some little concealer on your eyelids. Ugh. You excited for The Bachelor?
Yes, although to be honest, I can't even remember what happened last week. Oh,
Sarah.
The wedding.
What?
Oh gosh, and Queen Victoria.
I've been seeing TikToks where people think that she's like a paid.
Yeah, I
like
know.
She's paid on the show.
People have been saying that since night one.
And like, can they do that?
I mean, they could. I don't believe that. I don't think the Bachelorette producers stooped that low. But I am surprised she is still there. But I trust, what's his name? Matt. I always call him James.
Because it's Matt James.
Yeah, and for some reason, I always call him James instead of Matt. But no, I think he seems like a genuine guy, so I'm actually really excited for him. And I'm interested. I honestly don't think he ends up with anyone at the end of it.
You've been saying that since the first day, so like it's really exciting to see if that happens or not.
Yeah, we have a long way to go. But he does fall in love on the show. He did admit that. So I guess it's just a question of if
Will they be together?
Yeah.
You do have like nice eyelids.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah.
Thanks.
See, all of my friends have like smaller eyelids than like me. Especially like my mom always likes me to do her makeup when she like goes out and whatnot. And it's so different because like I'm used to like big ass eyeballs. And like, so it's nice to do little eyeballs.
Well, thanks.
Okay, normal size.
That's why I don't like my eyes, because they're so small.
Mine are so big. You can't wear
I know, they look like princess eyes.
I look like an anime cartoon.
That's in right now, though. You're trendy, Lauren.
I don't know about that.
I am very interested to see how it looks, because as you said, my eyes are shaped very differently than yours. And for the viewers, I just got my grandparents. Hi, Grandma.
Wait, did she watch?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
You
have a supporter.
I do. My family, they're great. They're great supporters of my hobbies. What eyeshadow are you using? Like, what palette?
So I'm using the Black Widow, which is, I don't even know. I got that for a present. I got both of these from Alex. And then this one's the Maddie Ziegler palette, which is my favorite palette because
Maddie?
I love Maddie Ziegler. And like, she just did such fun colors in it that like, if you ever just want to like play around with makeup, it's nice because like, I feel like it's not the typical colors in a palette. So it's nice to have like those colors if I want to play around with them. So yeah, I don't own anything that's like fun and vibrant. Like there's like blues and yellows and purples. I don't own stuff like that.
That's literally perfect. And I feel like she's actually said that. Like when she does makeup tutorials, she's like, you know, it's just like a fun thing to play around with.
Yeah.
So you basically just, I guess that proves her palette.
Yeah, it's true. Now I'm using another Morphe palette. I don't know what it's called though. Looks like this though. It's really dirty. I've had this palette since like a really long time. This was my first like makeup palette. I actually am doing like an orangey red look because the pinks, like, I feel like it wasn't as vibrant, and I love these colors, so That's why we got these on your lids.
I'm excited to see the end result. How did you come up with Lauren Shore?
It's funny because, like, all my friends from school think that that's my last name.
Oh my gosh, that's funny.
And, like, I don't even correct people anymore because I kind of just am like, that's my last name.
That's hilarious.
So I made my Instagram a really long time ago. Not that long ago, actually. But my mom was like, you're not allowed to have your name on the internet, which, like, I get. So I wasn't allowed to have my name in my email address either. So I had to make, like, I was allowed to use my first name, but I wasn't allowed to use my last name, obviously. So I came up with Shore. Like, that was just like, sure. And sure, I typed it in, and that was my email address, like, Lauren Shore at, like, I don't even know, yahoo.com. I never even used the email. I just made it to make, like, an Instagram account. So then when you make an Instagram, it, like, gives you suggested names based off of your email. And that was the suggested name. I was like, oh, okay. That, you know, seems pretty cool.
And that's how it came to be.
It's nothing exciting. Everyone is always like, oh, how'd you get that? I'm like, well, it's really not that interesting, but... Okay. Now I'm just gonna, like... Actually, no. I just don't want to get any makeup in your hair. Okay? Alright. So I'm gonna spray your face first. It's gonna get nice and wet.
Fancy!
So close your eyes. This is the Mario Jessica spray. I'm sorry. You flinched so hard.
Let's put that on replay. Slow-mo. Sorry, this is how little... I've never used setting spray before.
It's not even setting spray.
Oh.
It's just like a facial spray.
Oh, wow. You're really giving me the full treatment today.
So your face is nice and wet when we use a little squishy sponge. Okay,
exciting.
Now we gotta use... This is her foundation.
It's years old, as I was saying. And you're gonna have to, yeah. Like, I've been squeezing it up through the bottom. It'll be enough. Just put it on my face like that if you want. I don't care.
Interesting.
Sorry. I probably should have just gotten you a new one, but I was...
No, you should see mine. It is okay.
No, like, it really is. You really don't need foundation, but, like...
Okay, so I'm gonna... What is this? Is this your concealer?
Yeah, I mean, I barely use that. There's green on it because sometimes, like, if I have really bad bags...
Oh, you use your color corrector.
Yeah. Where is it? This. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I think I'm just gonna use my concealer. Okay?
Yeah, go ahead. Do what you need to do. Yeah, it's not that good.
Well, no, e.l.f. concealer is really... Mine is e.l.f. Literally.
Oh.
e.l.f. Camo Concealer.
Oh, yeah, but that's... I want to use that so badly. I just don't use my own makeup enough. Like, I'm trying to get rid of my makeup before I let myself get any more. But their Camo Concealer, I've heard such good things about it.
So, I wore the Camo Concealer last night.
This is gonna be, like, the most makeup you've ever worn in your life, probably.
I've gotten it professionally done twice, so it actually will be, like, coming in third place, but...
Where'd you get it done?
First was actually for a talent show. No, not a talent show. We did, like, a fundraiser for our class, and it was, like, a prom dress.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. They do it, like, every year, right?
Yeah, so the first time I got my makeup professionally done was at my senior year. It was a fundraiser for my class. It was a prom dress fashion show, and I was one of the announcers, and we had people come in to, like, obviously advertise for themselves, but they also did our makeup, so that was cool. Although I have to admit that I wasn't very fond of it because it caked my face with makeup.
Oh, great.
And then the second time was actually, oh my gosh, I can say 2 years ago now. In 2019, I went to one of my best friend's weddings, and we got it done for that.
Sorry, I'm like...
No, it's all good.
Pounding your eyes.
I was supposed to be looking up, but instead I put my whole head up, so I apologize for that.
Yeah. Charles says blend, but don't blend it. Oh, wow! This is so good. It's amazing how expensive makeup brushes are.
I'm getting contoured?
Yes.
How official.
Which is, like, the hardest part to do on people.
Oh, wow.
Because...
Well, don't mess it up, then.
I'm gonna. But it's okay. We can always blend. You have a scar on your forehead.
I do!
From what?
Voldemort.
Oh.
Have you seen Harry Potter? Okay.
I've seen all Harry Potter. I love Harry Potter.
Okay, me too, but you paused, so I was like, wait.
I wasn't expecting that.
Oh.
I thought you were gonna say, like, you fell.
I'm glad.
Like, I was like,
I'm glad I can pleasantly surprise you then. Oh my gosh, we should watch Harry Potter together. Oh my gosh, Lauren, you don't understand. Oh my gosh, we need to go to Hogwarts together.
Which Harry Potter?
All of them.
But like, do you have a favorite?
I don't. You know, I haven't. I definitely watched the earlier ones a lot more than the later ones, so I feel like I can't fairly judge them and like tell you a favorite.
I feel like the one I feel like I watch the most is, I'm looking for a specific brush, is the first one, just because I feel like the first one's always on TV.
Oh.
Go like this. And just stay like that.
Mm-hmm.
You have really sharp cheekbones.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's actually one good thing I like about my face. I feel like my cheekbones are pretty, like, strong, like, when you put blush. Because I don't normally contour. Yeah. But, like, I just put blush on it, and people are like, wow, I love your contour.
And we're gonna bake. Oh, you can tell your scar story now. Sorry. You couldn't talk for that.
No, it's all good. So, just for anyone who cares. I got a scar on my forehead when I was about 4. I was playing across the street at the playground at the beach. We were having a play date. And the one kid I was having a play date with pushed me off of pushed me off of like the play car thing that we were all on. Evil. And like I just fell and hit something sharp in the sand. Yeah, I remember my mom and my friend's mom carrying me across the street saying, "It's bleeding, it's bubbling."
I was running down my hallway out there and the Jolly Rancher went through my lip.
How?
I fell.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You don't have a scar?
No.
That's amazing.
I was like trying to fill it out. It went through right here. I don't think there's a scar.
Doesn't look like it. That's crazy. Oh, that looks
we are gonna make you glow.
Woo!
I love a good glow. This palette is the Tarteist Pro Glow palette, and it's $23 at Sephora. And it lasts me so long. It's so good. The highlighter is so good. The contour is so good. Okay. My face is looking like really good.
I wish I brought lipstick. I feel what? Oh, I didn't know.
Do you not know that I have like literally look at all the lipsticks I have.
I know, but I didn't know if we were allowed to share. I don't know.
If you don't want to, you don't.
No, I don't care. No, I don't care. No. Wish I could do the same favor for you. Well, maybe once I do my once a month makeup practicing, I'll be good by the end of the year and I could do your makeup.
Just do one video of you doing my makeup.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Now is when we're gonna spray your face.
This is the setting stuff.
Yes. Not that you're going anywhere, but you know, just for a bit. I think we have the same brow pencil, but I think mine's lighter. Just like a little touched in, right? Yeah. Okay. I won't fill your brows like crazy or anything. Okay. I have to fill my brows because I don't have eyebrows. So
yeah, I'm actually, so here you go. When I do my brows, I literally like just do the ends. The ends.
Okay. Yeah. That's what I thought because you have like pretty good brows. So that's why I was like,
thanks. But yeah, I don't touch them up too much.
Okay. Do you want a wing? Do you want eyeliner?
I don't know. Do you think I need it? I'm trying not to look at my look, so.
Oh, okay. Well, then I'll figure it out myself.
Maybe a little one? I don't know. Whatever you think is best.
I know it's not gonna feel the most comfortable.
Curl that lash. If you don't know how, that's okay.
I'm gonna have to look at my makeup, sorry. How do I do this? Am I doing it?
Yep.
I feel like I'm grabbing my eyelid also.
Yep.
Should I redo it?
No, that's what you're supposed to do.
Is this one? It's actually nice mascara.
Actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna use
this one. It's Lancome. I only have it because my grandma gave it to me in a sample once, and then I was like, oh my god, wait, this mascara is amazing. So I had her get more for me for Christmas.
Okay, look up.
Oh god.
I know.
Do you want me to do it?
Look up.
I up the whole lip.
Okay. Why don't you just
let me do it? Let me do it.
Oh yeah, god. I'll fix your eyeshadow after.
Sorry.
I think it's just because I did your mascara. Yeah. Like, I shocked you.
Yeah, it's hard for another person to do mascara.
Yeah, I will admit that. I hate when people do my mascara because, like, my eyelashes are obviously long. And
so long.
When somebody does them, they don't do them as long.
Yeah.
And I'm like, you're doing it wrong. Like, they're better than that. Like, I hate when people do my mascara.
So, I accidentally saw my makeup look, so I'm going to just let you know. Well, I didn't accidentally see it. As you saw, I freaked out when she did my mascara, so I just did it myself. I have this Lancome mascara, Hypnostrama. I guess I'm supposed to hypnotize everyone with this.
With your eyes.
But that's what this is all about. All right, back to Lauren.
Eyes are fixed. So now let's go to lip. We got this one. This one's really pretty. I have like an orangey one in that color too.
I'm sitting here smelling it. I smell everything. Fun fact.
I'm trying to find. Yeah, these ones don't smell, unfortunately.
I like this. I like this.
Wait, can I see that one? Oh yes, that's the orange one that I was looking for that I just gave you. It's like an orangey tint to that. They're all like literally so similar. This is the one I'm wearing right now. It's like a really hot pink.
Oh gosh, I couldn't even tell that's hot pink.
I
think I'm between these two.
I got this one. I'm gonna put it on right now. This one's like a darker.
This is so fun. I feel like I'm picking out like, I don't know, flavors for my wedding cake.
Kind of. Yeah, kind of. Well,
I'm liking one of these.
I also have this one, which is super orangey too.
Ooh, wait, I like that one.
We could do a mix of like these two.
Okay. Lauren loves mixing her lips.
Yeah, I mix out my lips.
Yeah, so that's a signature Lauren. I'm getting the full Lauren.
Experience.
Yeah.
Okay. And then if you feel like you need to apply any on yourself, you can. But like...
So am I done?
I need a darker one. Yes!
I'm done. All right, the moment of truth. Let's look into the camera.
Wait, hold on one second.
Oh my gosh! I've been Laurenified.
How does it feel?
I feel like a diva.
Do you like it?
I feel like I'm ready to go out, but first I have to change because I'm in a
hoodie.
hand-me-down Disney World hoodie.
Hey, it's okay.
I'll
take some photos.
Yes, so we're gonna go have a photo shoot. But first I want to give you a little closer up of my look, and then we'll show you how the photos turn out.
This is like the 5th lipstick I put on.
She loves laying her lipstick.
Okay.
Well, that was the photo shoot. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, Lauren, so much for making me feel fabulous. Like, for real, I never looked this good. I look like Lauren. For anyone who watched the video, thank you so much for staying and hanging out with us. I release a video 3 times a month on Wednesdays. Feel free to subscribe, and you can also check out my life, see more of her on my Instagram, Sarah with Many Thoughts, and I also write about my life on my blog, sarahwithmanythoughts.com. And Lauren,
if you want to check out my Instagram, it's Lauren Short, and if you want to check out my TikTok, it's also Lauren Short.
She's a TikTok tweet. I was trying to say she's a TikTok queen.
You should follow me.
Yeah, she's a good account to follow. All right, guys, see you next time.
Bye.